So check it out, I got me a microwave here, and found it on the side of the road. And all that's wrong with it is the door don't latch. It works just fine, and I'm going to use it for projects. So one of them is going to be, I'm going to take this out right here, this little synchronous motor. I'm taking it out and take it apart and use the coil from the inside. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I got the side of the microwave opened up here. Here you can see the magnetron and the high voltage transformer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this through, because I want these wires. I'm going to cut my wires off. And I'll take that apart. So in order to open this, you have to bend these little tabs up, like I did right there. And the best way to do that is to just put them down like this, put some pressure on them. See if I can get right here real good. Put some pressure on it and then twist. It bends that tab right up. There's 4 of them. So you gotta do one more. There. Now this thing should just pop right off. And it reveals your gears. I'm going to take all them gears out. I don't need none of them. Take that. This is your magnet rotor, multi-pole magnet. And this is your upper not sure what they call this. It's a plate. It's an upper magnetic plate. It's like a keeper plate. And let's see if I can. Oh, that's right. I want to leave those attached. I forgot this whole assembly comes out. Whoop. And now then we have just a coil. You can see the copper wire right there at the edge of the tape. And that comes down and connects to those 2 little fine wires. That's one is, you know, each end. So that's my coil. I'm going to use. Let's test the resistance. So yeah, I'm going to use this coil here and these popsicle sticks. And I'm going to build me a little mechanism with that magnet that's going to vibrate that tray. Peace.